You want my enter?
No, you know the.
It's 8 p.m. I'm out alone.
Hi besties, welcome back to our space. On today's video we're making egusi with Isi Ewu. Yeah, goat meat head. So we already have a stockfish, a goat meat head in the pot, seasoned with a cube of seasoning and salt. Add water that will be enough to cook this meat and stockfish. Cover and allow it to cook. Come back after 10 minutes to check on it, and this is it. Let me stir and see if it is soft enough. It is. So get the egusi. This is egusi. This is actually 2 cups of mid-cup egusi. I blended it with enough crayfish. So at this point I'll be introducing it like this. That's because I trust this egusi. Yes, because some egusi can be very funny. When you introduce it like this, it will turn to something else. I introduced it like this because I already used this type of egusi before, and I know no matter how you cook it, it will be lumpy. Yeah, but if you've never tried a particular egusi, don't try this recipe. Mold it, then introduce the egusi. But this egusi I'm already used to it. However you cook it, it will be lumpy. But this time around, I don't want the soup to be very lumpy. That's why I used this method. Yeah. So if you don't want your egusi to be very lumpy, use this method. Or if you want it to be very lumpy, mold it before introducing it inside the pot. So at this point we are done. We'll allow it to cook. We will stir at interval to avoid burning underneath. And looking at the egusi, as you can see, it is lumpy but not very lumpy. So this is how we're gonna stir at interval. So at this point I'll introduce palm oil. So looking at egusi, you can tell that it is lumpy, right? Yeah, this particular egusi I'm using is a very good one, because some egusi that you use, my god, if you try this type, it will turn to something. So we'll stir, allow it to cook, because you really need to cook the egusi very well. You keep stirring it until the water is totally dry. Then you add, this is warm water I'm adding. Do not add cold water at this point, because if you do, it will take off the lumpy of the soup entirely. The egusi lumpiness will just disappear. So I've introduced fresh pepper. Allow it to cook for some time. Stir. Smoked fish. Then this is uziza leaf. This is the vegetable I'm using for this soup. Yes, only uziza leaf. Yeah, that's how I want today's soup to be. But if you have other alternative like ugu, bitter leaf, or kazi, you can as well add to this. But today's one will be using only uziza leaf. After introducing uziza leaf, I will then stir, allow for 5 minutes. So guys, I won't stop this video without thanking all my returning subscribers on YouTube, those that always deem it fit to watch my videos. Thank you to every of my subscribers, both new, old, and intended subscribers. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Thank you for your likes, comments, and share. Thank you so much. And if you're still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel or not, please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. And to everyone watching me from Facebook, thank you for your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. So at this point, I'll just allow for 5 minutes and it will be good to go. So let me tell you guys, start getting your swallow, your semo, your pando, your wherever, because it's about to go down. We are good to go. You see, this portion is going to all of you that's watched to this moment. Love you. Watch us for our next content.